What's up guys, today we are going to install this screen protector, glass screen protector onto my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So here is the phone. So currently it has the non-glass version, so I guess it would be plastic, and I have it in the encased shockproof case. So first I need to take it out of the case. Now I'll be surprised to see how well it fits with the case, because I've heard that a lot of people don't use the glass screen protectors. Let me just give this a quick wipe. Just cleaning this quickly. So I don't know if it's noticeable, but there are a lot of bubble marks here on the left side. I'm not sure, maybe you can see it at this angle. Oh, you can kind of see it there. So it's all along. There's a big one here, two small ones, big long one here and here. And I think it's a lot because of where I grab. So usually the power button is here, so I'll usually use my left hand. So this hand will always be curling up against the case. So I'd be holding it like that, always kind of squeezing. So I think that's what creates the air pockets. And over time this will spread across the whole face of the screen, which is really annoying. So I'm going to get rid of this. So it's just a bit of film like so. Still quite sticky. And it's sticking onto itself. We'll see if I need this later, but for the time being, it's going to the side. Alright, so first I need to clean this with a wet wipe. So they gave a tiny cloth. There's not much moisture on this at all. Towards here, the old screen protector has left a mark, so I'm just trying to make sure that that's clean. So finish with that. Now I need to dry it off. So no instructions came with this screen protector, but I presume I'm just gonna peel this off and just line it up carefully. I guess the black border should cover it. We'll see. Okay. Next is to use this to get, hang on a second. Do I need to use the dry wipe a bit more? So most of the dust comes from these wipes, which is quite annoying. Okay. These are the guide stickers. Okay, so camera is, hey, there's no hole for the camera. It's kind of weird. Okay, so yeah, that will peel off there. So there's this one. Alright, so I'm going to peel the under layer and try not to touch it. That's the under layer. Okay. It's impossible to know where the thumb. What's going on here? Is there another? Seems to jut out quite a bit. Use this. It doesn't seem to be that secure. You hear that? Doesn't seem to be sticking down very well. Or is there another layer that I'm missing? Or is this supposed to come off? Okay. That's weird. This part is definitely sticky. Well, my fingerprints are all over it, but it's okay because I have a second one. It doesn't really stick down very well. And it's not a nice fit. I see there's a line here. Is there something else that's supposed to peel off? I don't think that's gonna make a difference. Alright, let me check the internet and see. Okay, so I have my phone booted up and this doesn't work. And also, it's not stuck on very well. There's a lot of play on the edges. And it's starting to come up as well. Absolutely cannot see. It says cover the entire fingerprint does not match. Let me try reset it. So I'm just gonna try getting her to start registering to see the icon. Okay, so okay. It cannot read the fingerprint. Okay, so the adhesiveness is only on the edges here and here. Just on the curved edges, there's the adhesive. This part is just a sticky sticker. Yeah, I think this will actually come off. Well, this is a not worthwhile purchase. Okay, let me at least try to see if it goes in with the okay. Now what I don't want is this to shatter. After all, it's supposed to be explosion proof. fits. Like, it's definitely creating a curve because it doesn't actually stick. So here, it's actually raised. Okay, let me try and see if I can tuck it in. Okay, so the case is kind of holding it in at the moment. But there's still, I can feel like there's a layer of air between this protector, the case itself. Alright, so this screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is no good, so don't waste your money on this. I'll have a talk to the seller that was selling this and see what the deal is. Alright, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.